What's going on, family? Black family checking in on the grind this morning. Out of this contract, about to get ready to start burning some rods. Just got everything set up. I got these 4 here to knock out this morning, and I'm gonna knock these out first. So welds go across here, there, and all them plug holes. So all those plug holes got to be plugged up, and then I put a 3-inch weld there, 3-inch weld there. And this is part of the lock mechanism that catches the truck. It's another deal, which is right here. This goes on there, and it sits and mounted in here, and it catches the truck to keep the truck from pulling out. A safety device. When they load in the truck can't just load up and go. So that's what I'm doing this morning, getting everything lined out. I'm about to get ready to get my hog on. I don't know how y'all Monday starting out, but I hope you're starting out with a blessed Monday. Hog on.